What's up, everybody? It's Darkstar Mike, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of the Marcy JD-3 adjustable Roman bench. I already have one of these at my home in Chicago, but I'm here in Las Vegas now, and because the governor has closed all the non-essential stores, you can't get any exercise equipment, and the gyms are all closed. So I was able to order this. There's only a few left, and this is really one of my favorite workout pieces of equipment. And on the internet, I saw this top 10 list of Roman benches. I didn't know there was one, but there is some that were variations on a Roman bench or some sort of a back extension. And this one came in number 1, which was surprising considering how inexpensive it is. So we're gonna unbox this and then take a look what we got inside. Okay, so the seats, the main seat, of course, directions, which are necessary for some people, and if they're necessary for you, then you shouldn't be watching this. And then a variety of pieces. The one problem I had with this bench in Chicago is that they have these little plastic end caps at the end of them, and they came out pretty early on. I've never been able to replace them, so maybe I'll take them with me when I go back to Chicago for the summer, because who wants to be in Las Vegas in 120-degree temperatures, right? All right, so we're gonna assemble this. We're gonna unbox this. This is all pretty much powder-coated reinforced steel, and durable. I've had mine for 5 years, I think. It doesn't look like its design has changed much. So I'm gonna put this together little by little, and we'll come back to you when it's complete, or we'll zoom through it. Okay. Here we are. Voila. So this is just going to be tightened up a little bit, and I'm not going to do it out here because I'm sitting on a couple of sawhorses. But we'll take it upstairs and I'll do a quick demonstration of some of the things you can do. Okay, so we have the Roman chair assembled. I'd say it's about 50 pounds. It's pretty small, it's pretty durable, it's pretty movable. And this one is not nearly as shaky. Mine had a little bit of give. Mine might have been an older model, or maybe I just didn't tighten down the screws quite as well. But there's a lot of things you can do with this. You can work your abs, you can work your back. So another thing they call this a hyperextension bench, you know, because it extends your back, but it's a great way to do sit-ups. And of course, if you want to work your back, you can go down this way and work your butt as well as your lateral obliques. So, you know, get rid of those love handles. Keep it tight and right. So, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. And if you like what you see, subscribe, and I'll bring you some more reviews as I have the time. Thanks a lot. Take care.